so I hit her just a little bit softer on that hit. The data contraption showing a 10.4 at 132, 0 to 60 at 2.6 seconds, and 6.7 at 105 in the 8th. Guys, it is muggy as hell, and I know y'all can see that in the video because I'm looking right at it. Everything's haloed out like crazy. So anyway, basically running with all but a full tank of gas. Obviously passenger seats in the car. I've got the computer with me, data logging, doing some other stuff. But I wanted to give you guys a ride along just because, you know, this is when it's in conditions like this where you can actually, you're not going to get a record time or anything like that. But, by the way, the conditions are like 1,000 feet, 150,000% humidity, which is something this car absolutely does not play well with. Anyway, long story short, was a little bit easy on the launch. She came out of the hole nicely, but just not violently. You know, normally when I'm hitting this thing hard, it's going to be a little bit nastier than that. So, got a Mustang here. Let me check on this guy real quick. Everything cool? You all right?
Yeah, man. I don't know. It just cut off for me, buddy.
Oh, man. You need a ride back up, or do you need a...
Let me see if I can get it. It's cranking. It just ain't out of it, man.
Okay, I'll pull over up here. I'll give you a ride up front.
I appreciate it, bud.
Hey, no problem. And one of our fellow racers ran into a little bit of a problem here, so we're going to try to help him out. But at any rate, car's doing well. I'm real happy with how she's running, and so we're just going to make some more hits, do some more testing. But again, that's what we do. We're testing, getting better, improving our skill set. So this is how you do it, though. You got to get out here, you got to play, you got to have fun, and that's what this is all about. No, you're not going to set any personal best, but that's not the point. The point is to get better and to get better every time you come out and learn something. So anyway, that's a wrap. Y'all have a good one.